I gotta put this on Facebook.
Did all of them run?
Yes.
Good, let them run. This is why I like it here in our house with all the dogs. Because there's plenty of room for them to go in circles. He's outside.
All I have is plaid. This is going on Facebook. This is JD's Buddha Belly.
Uh-oh.
I got it.
What do you need? What?
Gosh, there they go again.